Hello friends, this is Muhammad Abu Bakar. Welcome to my YouTube channel HDAMS Tech. Today I am going to show you how to create user for the guests. So use Windows R and type here comp mgmt.msc. So it will open computer management settings. Also you can type here computer management and click as run as administrator. So as of now I will close one window and you can go to local users. If you like my video, kindly please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click on the bell icon to get new videos. Right click new user and write any name as you like, any username. So I will write here guest user. Also if you want to type full name, you can type full name also. And remove this one, user must change password at next login. If the user want to change his password, you can click this one. If it doesn't, then remove this one. And you can give here any password, or else without password you can create directly. And just type here password. I will give short password. And you can select here user cannot change password also, and password never expires. So I will use this one, password never expires. Then if you want to use same password for the user, you can click this one. If you don't want, the user he can change after login also. So I will create this one here, create, close. You can see here the guest user is created. If you want to log in, then go to here and click here. You can see here sign out and log, change account settings also. And thank you for watching.